Are you there?
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Yeah, Rebecca, please go ahead.
I just want to say a big thank you to IGE for having me here tonight. They are such an amazing and excellent agent partner, and I'm so very grateful that you invited me here today. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about our schools. First of all, Vancouver, you can see that West Vancouver is far behind Vancouver there against the mountains. Vancouver itself, 2.7 million people, third largest city in Canada. Beautiful natural environment. I'm very lucky to live here. And it's actually one of the warmest cities in Canada with an oceanic climate. And that's very important, especially as you talk about the middle of Canada. This is nice. We have a very nice climate. Now, West Vancouver is one of the most beautiful communities. It is just 20 minutes outside of downtown Vancouver. It's got those beautiful mountains behind it and the ocean right in front of it. It is actually one of the most desirable places to live in all of the province. And it is safe and it is clean with the highest socioeconomic or highest average income and the lowest crime rate in the province. So, West Vancouver has some shopping. It's got Park Royal. It is not the same as Korean shopping malls, but it is perfect for West Vancouver. We also have a beautiful rec center, and I'll give you another picture of the rec center. This is the rec center here. It's got a swimming pool. It's got fitness rooms. It's got art classes. It's got everything you need. And then we also have a memorial library right down the street. And this is a library separate from the schools. So this is open on the weekends and after school and for families. This is a map of our school districts. So our West Vancouver School District is a smaller district. We've got 3 high schools. They're the ones in the round circles. And we have 2 primary options and 12 elementary schools. And those are the ones with the square options. Now, all elementary schools cultivate a strong literacy, numeracy, and social, emotional, cognitive skills. And they really instill that love of learning to last a lifetime. Now, the one thing our school district is really good at is preparing the students for before and after school and for graduation. We offer orientations at all levels in our programs for the primary, the elementary, and the secondary, and we do this before school starts. We introduce students to the culture, the school, and we also create connections with the students before they even walk into the school and the classroom. So they already feel like they belong before classes even start. A world of opportunity. We live and breathe this. This is our school district and what we believe in. Our secondary schools have incredible opportunity. They're all on a linear system, meaning they run from September to June. We offer a wide range of courses. So not only do we offer the courses that every other school and every other district offer, we offer innovative, creative, and unique courses as well. We also offer AP and IB programs, which are open to international students as well as local students. We offer ELL support at all levels, and that is also included in what we offer, where it's very important for us. We have career and university counseling. As you'll see later in my presentation, we are the best at having students transition into post-secondary, and so we invest a lot of time and energy into helping them get to where they need to be. We also use Google Classroom and flexible instruction time, which is unique to our district. Flexible instruction time is twice a week, and it allows for students to follow their passions or get caught up in work that they need to get extra help in. It's extra blocks during the school day where students must be in a classroom in the school, and they can choose the classroom. If they need extra help on their art, they can go do that. If they want extra time to work on something, to fix their math homework that they haven't finished and they need help on, they go see their math teacher. So it's an opportunity for students to meet with teachers within the class time. And this is unique to West Vancouver schools. We also have the sports teams and clubs that all schools and districts are famous for. Courses at West Vancouver schools. So these are just some of our courses that we have. You should notice that we have some unique offerings like yoga, which actually counts towards graduation, and we have forensic science. So that science about fingerprints, it's a legitimate science, and you actually earn credit towards graduation. So we have all sorts of courses, and including mathematics, which is actually my favorite because that's what I taught. I am the vice principal in the district, but I actually used to be a student here. I was an elementary school student, a high school student. I went to UBC, got a couple degrees, came back. I taught in the district, and I was a vice principal in the district at the school. So I live and breathe and I believe in the West Vancouver school system. Okay, what else? Oh, our Premier Academies. I'm going to play a little video here, and just because I want to show you kind of what our kids and what we do in our schools. So these are sports academies that you're seeing here, and our robotics academy, which is an internationally well-known robotics academy. They win awards all over the world, not just the province, not just the country, but all over the world. It's amazing. So these academies, you actually earn credit towards graduation. So you're following your passions and earning credits toward graduation. Can you hear the music on there? I'm just curious.
Music?
Yeah, can you hear the video or no?
No.
Oh,
It's okay. Your voice is better.
okay. Okay, so these are the current academies that we have. So they're all at different kind of levels, and academies sometimes end up changing depending on what the passions are of the students at the time. But you can see mechatronics, robotics is in there as one of the academies. It's amazing. The fencing academy is so high level, it's got Olympians in it. We also have premier programs, which are other areas where students can follow passions. Youth and trades, you actually get to be a certified carpenter by the time you graduate. The first aid swimming training, you're a certified lifeguard. So this counts towards graduation, and you get these additional credentials. The Yale Entrepreneurship Program is amazing as well. It works with the universities and business professionals in the district to help students get a sense of business. And we also, yoga teacher training, there it is again. So not only can you take yoga classes, you can become a yoga instructor. So these are some of the ways that students in our district follow their passions. We also have your regular fall, winter, and spring sports at all the high schools. And so now I'm going to just show you some pretty quick pictures of our secondary schools. That's Rockridge Secondary School. It offers the AP program in grade 11 and 12. There are there's 900 students in this school, and it's very multicultural and just a wonderful place to be. The next school, that's a learning commons. All our libraries are also teaching spaces. This is Sentinel Secondary School. It has 1,300 students, and it also has AP program in it as well. This is its learning commons or its library, but you get a kind of a sense or feel for the school. All of the schools have music and band programs. All of the schools have science programs, all the sciences. This is West Vancouver Secondary. It's the largest out of our 3 schools. It has 1,400 students now. It is home of the International Baccalaureate program, and it actually has multiple gyms and multiple campuses. Our grade 8 campus is a separate campus. We start them out a little smaller, and all schools have amazing art rooms and facilities. So this is I'm assuming that people here for elementary as well, yes?
Most of them, I believe, elementary.
Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to show you our elementary schools. So this is Glen Eagles Elementary School, Eagle Harbor. All of these have kind of pictures just to demonstrate what our elementary schools are like. So I purposely picked these to kind of illustrate the atmosphere and what is available at all of the elementary schools. So all of these elementary schools are located in different areas of our district, and you'd have different preferences to them based on maybe the secondary school that you would want them to feed into, the environment that the school is located in, what types of things the schools believe in. They have different kind of flavors to them. They have Montessori, they have IB, they have technology. But they all have band and music and art and beautiful playgrounds and amazing buildings and teachers. Admissions. Okay, we are a very competitive program, and we open up our admissions October 15th, the year before we start the September before. So for September 2026, our applications open on October 15th. And we're quite a competitive program, so our spaces sell out fast. And elementary can kind of be tricky because we have to fit everybody into the places that we have available. So if there is a particular school or something that you're looking for, you want to try and get your applications in as quick as possible. We will always check, of course, for IGE if they ask, because they are some of our favorite people there, and they're an awesome agency. So I will always check with the schools. If Hajang contacts me and says, "Hey, do you have space for so and so?" I will always look.
Okay.
So for grade 11 and 12, for 10 and 11, we do have a language entrance level, but for every other grade kindergarten through grade 9, no language testing is needed. We will take your students and we will help them out, and guaranteed by the time they're done, they will know more English than you will. It's amazing. We do such a great job, and I'll show you how I know. Okay, so West Vancouver schools, we are the top district in the province. We have one of the highest graduation rates in the province. We're in the 100th percentile. So nobody's better than us. We graduate 99% of our students. And this is significant because we are a public school district. We have to take everybody. And more than 87% of our students go immediately on to post-secondary. So the schools they go to, they span the globe. There's over 120 of them, colleges, universities, specialty schools, you name it, they go to it. And just to prove it, here are just some of the universities that our kids have gone to last year. These are last year's universities. And you have to remember, they don't get there without a solid foundation. And that foundation starts when we start with your kids. So you need to remember that when we start with students, they don't always speak great English. Apparently, I don't right now either. But eventually, by the time they graduate in grade 12, we don't have any international students currently receiving ELL support. They don't need it. They're doing so well. They're in regular English and they're off to universities. So we do an amazing job. And that's all I have to say.
Thank you. 자, 웨스트밴쿠버에 대해서 궁금한 거 있으면 질문해 주세요. Is there any question regarding beautiful West Vancouver?
If you are interested in any of the elementary schools, they do all on our website have videos like school tours, and on their websites you can see the tours of all the schools as well.
Rebecca, can you tell them which school is totally closed or which school is still open for September? September.
For this September, it's pretty tight. It depends on the grades. I will look for you. Like I said, I will always look for you, Haijang, to see if there's any schools open. But right now we're pretty full. In terms of homes, like if we're talking for secondary schools, Sentinel is completely full. I have no homestay around there either. I do have some space in West Vancouver secondary. Some spots have opened up and a few spaces left at Rockridge as well. In terms of elementary, that would be a pick and choose. You have to kind of tell me what grade it is before I can check the files.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Have a great night, everybody.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.